Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos. I hope so all my viewers are fine. So guys, this collection is all about the cake decoration ideas. The cakes look so yum, the cake looks so stylish. The beautiful ideas of cakes decoration, the cakes looks yummiest. And if you like my YouTube channel, then please like, share and comment. Follow my YouTube channel as well as press the bell icon for more updates about my YouTube channel. And this collection is very outclass, this collection is very interesting, and hope you like the video and to share my video with your family and friends. One of the bestest platform and amazing creative art of amazing styles of cakes. The cakes look so beautiful, the cakes look so yum. Everyone like this, everyone appreciate my YouTube channel because the cake looks so stylish. In this collection you see the approximately 50 plus ideas of cakes and the cakes decoration, how to decor your cakes on different parties, how to decor your cake on wedding, how to decor your on parties. So watch the video to like my video, to share my video with your family and friends. One of the bestest platform, and like to my channel, share to my channel with your amazing ideas of cakes, and cakes look so beautiful. Like the video. Chocolate cake ideas, biscuit cake ideas. The biscuit cakes looks so delicious, and everyone like this because trendiest cake ideas. And the cake is the central part, and everyone like this because one of the bestest platform, one of the best creative and the most amazing and the most stylish cakes decor ideas. So watch the video to like my video, to share my video with your family and friends. Don't skip the video, don't stop my video. Watch the video to like the video and to share my video with your family and friends.